A very good morning to you and welcome to February. It's Thursday, the 1st of February, and we're at the beautiful Alvecote, home of several historic boats. We love it here. Alvecote didn't start off as a marina though. It started off basically as Tamworth stroke Alvecote colliery. 1873 they started mining for coal here, and it was a transshipment area. Lots of railway networks used to come in and out of the colliery here. As you're coming in from the north, you can still see parts of the tracks and the walls of one of the old railway links. It's a beautiful place, but we are moving on today. We're moving on to Polesworth, if everything goes well. It's only a short hop, and I think Nikki is walking with the kids and the puppies, because it really is a beautiful day. Just through the trees there, you may be able to see what remains of the old Alvecote Priory. Now, we have been there before, and to be honest, there's not that much to see, but yeah, if you're more up there, it's only a couple of minutes walk to go and see the old Priory. It really is a beautiful morning this morning. I say Nikki's walked on with Noah and the puppies. The big dogs are on the boat at the moment with Lily. It really is, it's like a spring day today. Really nice. But it does have that bite in the air. Morning. Good morning. Beautiful morning. Nice to see another boat on the move this morning. We haven't seen any boats moving for a while. The site of a former bridge. Often wonder why they were demolished. Perhaps the toll of time has put pay to them. I don't know. Just seen Nikki, Noah and the puppies there to the left hand side on the towpath there. I can hear the puppies too. Christmas boat? Christmas?
And laundry.
Oh! Well, we've moored up by a couple of cafe boats. Yeah, we've all had breakfast this morning. We had cereal, but for some reason I am starving. And Nikki said she could eat something. This first boat here does pancakes. That's ideal for the kids. And I think the other boat does more food for Nikki and myself. So let's have a look. The kids are having pancakes. What are you having, Lils?
I forgot already.
Banana.
Not exactly what I'm having. I'm having stacked pancakes, big ones, drizzled with Nutella with marshmallows on and blueberries.
So a nice healthy breakfast.
Very, very healthy.
What are you having, Lils? The same, but with banana.
You're having banana. Oh, hear those dogs.
I know, and we're having bacon.
We're having bacon.
Bacon sandwiches. Here's the first of the two boats. We're eating off this one. Apparently this one is going to be a new business. They're doing spuds and everything, and they're going to be doing them at festivals. But unfortunately, they're just trying them out now in the oven. So they're not quite ready yet. It's also a laundry boat. So if you've got any laundry, you can get it done here. I think there's outside ovens here. Look at this. Yeah, so who knows? We might see these boats at festivals. This one's called a spud boat, or it is going to be called a spud boat. As I say, they're just trying out their ovens, making sure everything's right. Brilliant. Can't beat a jacket potato at a festival. And the dolly lady. There's the lovely lady that we've just been talking to now, and the one that's making our breakfast on this other boat. Well, it's safe stopping for dinner. And we don't have to cook it, do we? Well, you look very comfortable.
I know, look at us sat in the sun.
Look at you sat in the sun. I'm going to come and join you now. Oh, there's Noah. I wonder where he gone. What's it like then?
Tastes very good.
Lily's is on the way.
It's gonna be like, this is honestly the best I've ever tasted.
What better?
Well, that was lovely. We've had a bacon sandwich, and we're nice and full. The kids had a mountain of pancakes, so they're going to be hyper, so we've locked them in the boat with the puppies. Yes, sugared out. Just up there you can see what remains of the old mining wheel, the heads up wheel, or the heads up wheel? I don't know, whatever you call it, that lowered the miners down to the pit. Yeah, I'm sure it's the head wheel. That's up there in Pooley Country Park. Yeah, Pooley Hall Country Park used to be a colliery, and we're going to come shortly to a very famous person's house. Well, former house. It is really difficult to get a shot of Pooley Hall, but it's the former home of the Motown mogul Edwin Starr. He lived there for some years. It's a beautiful place. Very nice. These are short little hops we're doing. We're moored up at Polesworth on the visitor moorings here. To get to the town, you just go up at a bridge there, go left to a roundabout, go left, and you're on the high street. We think we only need a few more bits of fruit and veg. We had a lovely stew last night, and we've got the remains of it. And the front, the well deck acts as like a fridge in the winter time. It's freezing in there. So we've got that there for dinner, but we want to go on to perhaps some more in the middle of nowhere. We're not sure if we're doing that today or whether we're doing that tomorrow. Very uncertain for now. But when we know, you'll know, as ever. But we're here at Polesworth. One day we'll make our mind up. We are moving on today. We've just done a little bit of shopping again. Got some more fruit and some more veg, some more tinned produce. We all had rice pudding with pears. It was really nice, but we need to replenish the stock. When we tend to use something, we replace it. We've decided to move on to Grendon Wharf, which isn't far off the bottom of Atherstone Flight. We want to get Atherstone Flight out the way as soon as we can, really. We've got a few days, dry days now. It's not something we want to do in the rain. It also makes it a little bit more dangerous, but we need to be up at the top of the flight for probably Monday, Tuesday, as we are meeting some very special friends, and you'll see who they are when we do. It won't be long, and we get going. And off we go again. Polesworth is a beautiful place, and you've heard me say in the past, we've done Polesworth. If you want to check out the vlog, if we can find the link, it'll be below. Polesworth is a nice little town, but it's one of those places that once you've seen it, really, you have seen it. It is worth stopping if it's the first time you've been here, though. It's a lovely place. When I went to the shop, I had a little look in this like little stable yard. They've got parts of an old working boat. I don't know the history, so if anyone knows it, please let me know. But it is an old canal side cottage. Very nice indeed. And you can see the chimney smoking. Nicky's got the fire going when I was at the shops. All nice and warm in the boat. It's getting pretty cold out here though, darling.
Are you cold?
I'm not cold, but it's getting fresher.
Yeah. Nice though in the sun.
Yeah, makes mooring up even nicer. all moored up just short of Bridge 50. You can see Nikki up there just having a walk around. It's a lovely area. I'm stood on the bow of Chugs. We're moored up a little bit short of where we thought we were going to go, but we spotted this and thought how nice it is. It's a beautiful, wonderful area. Plus the fact, last time when we moored at Grendon, several boats went past. It was busy. I think it was late spring, early summer, and they were grounding out. There was like a silt bank under the water just by the boat where we moored up. And we are conscious that Jules Fuels are going to stop alongside us when they spot us. We've already messaged them, and they're going to stop alongside us and drop off some fuel and some coal and a few bits and bobs that we need. So we don't want them grounding. Obviously they sit quite deep in the water, they've got a heavy draft. So here we're hoping Jules Fuels can moor up next to us if they come in the morning. If not, we're going to see them by the Atherstone flight. We're planning on moving again tomorrow, heading either to the bottom of Atherstone flight or using the services and then going up through a few of them. We'll see. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.